Okay.
Yeah, I'll show you.
Wow.
Up here I have some putters.
This is a backpack for Frisbee, I
Yeah,
think.
these are putters.
Yeah.
These are the rest.
Okay. Why do you bring so many things?
They do different things.
Okay. So they have a like kind of purpose.
Yeah, they do.
Okay.
They're all unique.
Okay.
Yeah.
They're all different.
Yep.
Okay. Wakanda Disc Golf Course.
Alright, let's throw some warm-up shots, Quinn. I want to throw for the close one.
I never played since last year, September, you know,
Okay.
and it's my second time.
Here, this would be a good disc for you.
Okay, just give me the easiest one.
Right here.
This one? It
Yeah.
looks cool.
Yeah. I'll show you. They all look different.
Okay.
This is a mid-range,
Yeah.
so that's different.
Uh-huh.
There's
Is it for experts?
other drivers.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is more of an expert.
Oh, we got it.
Oh!
Nice throw, Josh.
Yes. You almost got that.
Just practice throw.
So yeah, that one disc will be fine for you.
Okay.
Want to get started?
Yeah, sure.
All right, Josh.